It's often said that it's expensive to be poor in America, and nowhere is that more true than in our healthcare system, as these problems build up over time and ultimately will cost you your life.
Last Friday, I voted no on the continuing resolution in the House, and here's why. The Republican spending bill is a disaster for our communities, especially here in Arizona. It is a direct attack on the health care of millions of Americans. Republicans have put forward a bill that slashes Medicaid, increases premiums, raises copays, and makes health care less affordable for millions of people. And Republicans have refused to work with Democrats.
Look, Republicans control the House, the Senate, the White House. But instead of working in good faith with Democrats to negotiate a bipartisan budget deal that saves American families money, they sent us all home. We should be in Washington, D.C. right now working on this critical issue of the loss of health insurance coverage for the American people. Congressional Republicans have an easy choice. Come back to D.C., negotiate a bipartisan budget that helps working families and lifts up our country, or go it alone, shut down the government, and cause even more pain for the American people.
I've talked to physicians who work at the Mayo Clinic, to physicians who work at rural hospitals across our state, and they continue to sound the alarm about how devastating these healthcare cuts will be because of the hospital closures that are inevitable when you are going after healthcare in this way. So I am just baffled that Donald Trump refuses to meet with leadership on this issue. Of course, Mike Johnson, our speaker, has refused to meet. There's been no negotiation so far. And so if there is a government shutdown, it is entirely on Donald Trump and Republicans for refusing to sit down at a negotiating table and talk about and reverse the issues, fix the issues that matter most to Americans.